How's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making apple cider. Now this is perfect for the fall season and get ready to fill your home with all those beautiful, fragrant aromas. This is perfect for one of those cozy nights. So, let's get started.
Alright, so for the ingredients, we're going to need 1 orange, 5 Honeycrisp apples, 5 Granny Smith apples, about 3 large cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ground cloves, and half a cup of granulated white sugar. Alright, so to get things started, we're going to prepare all of our ingredients. For the orange, all you want to do is cut it into 8 wedges and remove the peel from each wedge. You don't want to keep the orange peel in this apple cider recipe as it gives the final drink a pretty bitter taste. Next up, we have our apples, and all you want to do is wash your apples before using them, and then you want to cut them into 1/8 or quarters and remove the core. This is really easy if you have an apple core at home, but if you don't, you can always use a sharp knife. So now on to creating the apple cider itself. You want to use a large stock pot for this. And you just want to add your orange slices, followed by both your Granny Smith apple slices as well as your Honeycrisp apples. And then additionally to the pot, you want to add in your cinnamon sticks, the ground cinnamon, the ground cloves, and then half a cup of the granulated white sugar to the pot. Now you want to add enough water into the pot to cover the fruit. And it's at this point where we can turn the stove to high heat, or 450 degrees Fahrenheit, or 232 degrees Celsius. Your goal is to bring everything to a strong simmer, while stirring the pot intermittently. We're not looking for any type of rapid boil here. We just want to see steam start to appear from the top of the pot. And it's at this point where once the pot is simmering, we can reduce the heat to medium-low, or 249 degrees Fahrenheit, or 120 degrees Celsius. And now you just allow the pot to simmer at this temperature for 2 hours covered. And with a little TV magic, our 2 hours is up, and now you can see that the fruit is very soft. Now using a large spoon, we want to mash the fruit and release all of the liquids within each piece of fruit. Once that's done, you can cover the lid of the pot again and allow this to simmer for 1 more hour. Once that final hour is up, you want to slowly strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve into another large stock pot or bowl. Your goal here is to discard all the solids left within the apple cider. So once you've gone through the first initial strain, you want to strain this liquid again to remove any piece left behind. It's at this point where you can serve it in your favorite glass, and I like to garnish mine with another cinnamon stick and enjoy. And just like that, you just made apple cider right at home. This is the perfect way to warm up those cozy nights in the fall and the winter. And the best thing about this recipe is that this will last in your fridge for about 5 to 7 days in an airtight container. And all you have to do is reheat it on the stove or the microwave and serve. And alternatively, this can be frozen for up to 3 months. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 2, Elevating Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And there's also a pop-up on the screen that you can click for more information as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And stay tuned for next week, where I show you to make these delicious glazed donuts at home. This creates a bountiful breakfast option, and you no longer need to run to the donut shop to get these. Well, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.